My dear friends, in this video I am going to show you an extremely profitable binary options trading strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. So watch this video very carefully because this is the exact strategy that have helped me to reach up to 83% win rate. And I have also made this video previously by investing $200 per trade, but in that video I saw some comment that this strategy doesn't work. And what I want to tell to those people is no any strategy, no any indicator works for the 100% of the time. So you need to test your strategy firstly in your demo account before trading in real account, if it is working or not at that time. Otherwise, any strategy, any indicator can fail at any time. And one important thing, so if I am telling you a strategy and if it is failing, let's say you made 10 trade and 7 trade were lost and 3 trades were win, then what you can do is you can flip that strategy and do opposite. Okay, test by making that strategy completely opposite. For example, if it is saying higher and I am telling you to trade by clicking on higher and you got 7 loss, then you can trade by making lower trade when it is higher. Okay, you can do that. Firstly test that in your demo account at the real time, and if it is working, then exactly at that time you go and make trades on your real account. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. And I am not only going to explain you the strategy, but I am going to make few trades and show you how I was able to win up to 83%, how I was able to achieve 83% win rate. Okay, so watch this video very carefully, and if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is make all of this currency pair favorite. Okay, you can click on here and make this star yellow and it will appear at here, and then make your candlestick time frame of S10. Okay, that means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. Now another thing, if it is flag at here like this, okay, make it clock in this way. Okay, and then select S5 and then increase it to S10. Okay, your trading time frame is also going to be 10 seconds. So if you made a trade at here, then after 10 seconds this trade will be closed. Now you decide the amount that you want to invest. Now the strategy is extremely simple. Let's say we are in this currency pair right now. Okay, now if it is showing higher, do not make any trade. We only look for the signal of from this super trend. Okay, so you need to also implement this indicator that is called super trend. So let me cut it. You can click on here. Okay, sorry for that. You can click on here and click on this super trend, and this super trend will be implemented at here. You don't need to make any changes to these settings. Okay, so if you see higher, don't make any trade there. But if you see lower, let's say you switch to this currency pair and it is still higher, ignore it. Okay, now again switch to another currency pair and here you can see it is lower, immediately make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and most probably your trade is going to go right. Okay, now once this trade is closed, then immediately go to another currency pair, and if it is lower, again make trade by clicking on higher. Don't think much. Okay, again once this trade is closed, go to another currency pair. If it is lower, make trade by clicking on higher. In this way you can continue to make trade whenever you flip to another currency pair like this. Okay, if it is higher, ignore it, don't make trade at here. Go to another currency pair. If it is higher, ignore it. Okay, go to another currency pair. If it is higher, ignore it, and only make trade on wherever you see lower by clicking on higher. Okay, now what I will do is I will keep quiet and show you the exact video where I was able to achieve up to 83% win rate. Okay, watch that video very carefully because it will train your unconscious mind to make trades in the similar way. Okay, so focus on that video and watch that video till the end. Now I'll keep quiet. Let's get started.